Hey y'all, this is Zoe and welcome back to my channel. And today I have my mom. She's going to be baking with me today.
Hey.
So we are doing our Christmas cookies, and this is something that we normally do at the end of close to the end of December. It's a family tradition, and we have a lot of new additions to add. We have molasses ginger cookies. We have a lot of things that we're excited to do. So sit back and relax, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so we have all of our ingredients laid out. We have our eggs and our million pieces of butter, all of our vanilla, ginger, baking powder, all that stuff. Coconut flour, all-purpose flour, chocolate kisses that we put on top of our peanut butter cookies, hot, we call it stuff, cocoa powder, sugar, brown sugar, and we have our cookie cutters here that are like 50 years old. We got them from my grandmother, so we keep them intact and we'll be able to use them a little longer. So we have our cookie press here, and the cookies can come out in different shapes like this. We have our measuring spoon, our measuring cups and everything, rolling pins, and our pan here. I love these silicone mats because it's easier to bake things on it and it doesn't stick. So a lot of times you don't really have to add any like oil or anything to cook them on. So yep.
Okay, so we have a binder that we've been collecting recipes for years. And this is something that we pull out when we're doing special cooking. Like our sugar cookie is actually a vanilla cookie recipe. We have peanut butter cookies, which is from a really old cookbook that my mom had. So from time to time we see recipes in magazines, and we just either pull it out the magazine or we copy it offline. So that's what we use. And also we have an old holiday recipe book, and this is where our molasses spice cookies come from. We tried them and they're really good, so we decided to add that to our list of cookies for the holidays.
Yep. We're going to start off by making a double batch of sugar cookies. Put my butter and my sugar in this bowl. You want softened butter. I'm going to cream this together.
Okay, you have 2 eggs, and we're doing a double batch, so that is 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Working on is our molasses spice cookies. This is out of our old-fashioned Christmas cookbook, and this is all the stuff that I'm using to make these cookies. Alright y'all, so we wanted to taste the molasses ginger cookies, so which one? You want to show them what it looks like up close?
Ooh. Take the bigger piece. piece.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be snacking all day.
See what it looks like on this.
Okay, so I've got the same cookie dough, the vanilla or sugar cookie, and the chocolate. And I pretty much try to form 2 squares that are almost the same size. I'm going to try to add the 2 together, and instead of a checkerboard, we'll do a swirl. Not a squirrel. We don't want squirrels. So with the swirl, you're just going to take it and you're going to fold it over. I'm going to roll it. And you're going to freeze it. So if you look at the end, you'll see where it's a swirl instead of a checkerboard. So we'll take this, wrap it up in parchment, freeze it, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we slice it.
To work on the peanut butter cookies, and I'm just going to show y'all everything I'm using for this. Let's go ahead and get started with it. Alright, so I'm about to roll out this chocolate. It's really chocolatey. So I kind of just put a little cocoa powder on my surface here so it won't stick. I have like a tiny little cookie cutter here that I dusted in cocoa powder, just so that it doesn't stick to the cookie cutter either. So. Alright y'all, so these are the chocolate kiss cookies. You have some with the milk chocolate kisses on top and some with the white chocolate peppermint kisses. And those look really good. Alright, so we are rolling out the peanut butter cookies. We're going to roll them out like these are like 1-inch size balls.
Walking along, humming a song, can feel the cold with you
hopefully y'all enjoyed this video.